Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, in the pre-market, I stated very clearly a few things. Number one, traders know how to read in between the lines. And there was a report that said that Trump will be making a decision to attack Iran within next 2 weeks. So that shows that he has not made the decision and he is not going to make any decision sooner. Now it is a face saving for everybody. Iran seems to be giving a tough fight to Israel. So I already discussed. So if US come into the picture, if there is any loss for US, then Trump's future will be the question mark. So now conveniently he says, he will be making 2 weeks time to take a decision. So now there is, as per latest report, Europe is talking with Iran. So therefore, this Israel-Iran war is likely to go in the way of like India-Pakistan. Of course, India-Pakistan was not so severe, but it lasted for a few days. I think 3 or 4 days. But Iran and Israel, it has gone for 6-7 days. And possibly, so this event will get out of the market. So right now, the crude prices have fallen more than 3%. And then if any concrete steps taken, then crude prices are likely to fall even more. So I also said last 2 trading sessions, though intraday markets recovered, the entire recovery was sold into by the end of the day. But today I said in the pre-market, if market goes higher, so it is not likely to wipe out the entire loss. The rally may sustain. But even I did not expect this 300-point rally. Whatever Nifty has lost in last 3 days, so the entire loss of last 3 days has been recovered and moved higher significantly. So now, no need to say, people would have, squared up a lot of call options and would have ordered put option aggressively. Even the 25,000 put option is being added very, very aggressively. Since our market has been trading in this range, 24,500 to 25,100 for a long time, since May 12. So any breakout, people are waiting to take long positions. So I think that has come today. So as long as there is no other bad news, I think the rally may continue. As I told you earlier, it was banking stocks that led the rally, then followed by IT stocks. And then, sooner or later, FMCG and auto stocks join. If the crude prices continue to fall, then auto stocks may catch up. And then that is where the Nifty can rally towards 26,000, which is the next target. May not happen, this month or next month, but at least we have enough time. And next month, the corporate results will start kicking in. So if the corporate results are good, so market can scale even all-time high by the end of this year. So today is Friday, so there is nothing much to discuss. So time for party. So we will discuss the rest of the things on Sunday during the Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.